If you want your videos to look smoother and more professional, adding a simple fade to black is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a fade to black in DaVinci Resolve 20. It only takes a few seconds, and once you know it, you'll use it all the time. Let's get into it. Start by opening your project and going to the Edit tab. This is where you'll be doing all your timeline work. Once you're here, find the clip you want to fade out. Most of the time, this will be at the end of your video, but you can use this anywhere. Now, look closely at the top right corner of your clip in the timeline. You'll see a small white handle. Click and drag that handle toward the left. As you drag, you'll notice a curve appear. That's your fade. The longer you drag, the slower and smoother the fade will be. A shorter drag creates a quicker fade. That's it. You've just created a fade to black. If you play it back, you'll see your clip smoothly fade out instead of cutting abruptly. Now, here's something important. If your background isn't already black, the fade might not look right. In that case, you'll want to make sure there's nothing underneath your clip on the timeline, so it fades into a black screen. You can also do the same thing at the beginning of a clip. Just grab the top left corner and drag it to the right. That creates a fade from black instead of to black, and that's all there is to it. Quick, simple, and it instantly makes your edits feel more polished. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more simple DaVinci Resolve tutorials just like this.